Watch Constance as she expertly examines Yessie's hair, mapping out where to add brightness and highlights while preserving depth. Let's start by creating a center profile parting from the front hairline to the crown. Next, take a radial parting, extending from the crown down to just above the ears. Finally, complete the look with diagonal back partings, starting from the radial section to the occipital area. For this technique, begin in the left nape, taking a textured weave and backcombing to diffuse the lines of demarcation. We will be using Lightmaster Pre-Bonded with 30 volume. Layer the foil on top and do not fold to avoid creasing during the lightening process. Begin with diagonal back partings moving up the side of the head. As you progress, increase the weave thickness for effective lightening. To achieve a smooth blend, gently backcomb the hair. And don't forget, always layer the foils on top for the best results. Now for the fringe, take a fine paralleled weave. Remember, fold your foil to match the size of the section. Keeping it clean and tidy is crucial. Repeat the technique on the other side. Now on to the top. Start with the front left section. Here's a top tip for achieving diffused highlights. Feather the lightener up to the backcombed section. Remember, it's essential to not lighten the backcombed hair to avoid breakage and uneven color. Now let's move on to the back section. Divide into 2/3 and create a textured weave section and backcomb. Once you've backcombed the woven section, apply and feather the lightener for a beautiful result. Lightener application complete. For this step, we used Tonal Control 7R Raving Red for the roots and Tonal Control 8C Copperlicious at the ends, both with 10 volume developer. After shampooing with Instacure, rough dry the hair. Then review the foil placement before applying the toner. Start by applying the 7R and ensure even coverage. Next, create a shadow root effect. Melt the formula into the mid-lengths. Forming a V-shape in the back of the head, leave the hairline and ends out. Apply toner 8C to the mid-lengths and ends. Ensure a seamless transition by blending 7R and 8C where they meet. Work systematically around the head in vertical sections, starting at the hairline and moving towards the center back. Make sure to thoroughly saturate the hair and work the formula in using your hands for even coverage. Constance achieved a dimensional, inspired look. We used Lightmaster with 30 volume for Yessie's highlights and introduced warm, rich tonal hues that made her eyes stand out and added a vibrant glow to her complexion.